Hey guys, Bart here. Ever dreamed of ditching the 9 to 5 and earning your own fortune from the comfort of your couch? Well, dream no more. This video is your ultimate guide to making money online, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned hustler looking to scale your income. Cut to intro graphic with title and your social media handles. The 5 money-making avenues. Now, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunity, so I've narrowed it down to 5 proven avenues you can explore. 1. Freelancing your skills. Got mad writing chops? Design skills that put Picasso to shame? Programming prowess that could break the matrix? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your playgrounds. Offer your services to clients worldwide and get paid for your expertise. Cut to screen recording showcasing Upwork or Fiverr with examples of freelance gigs. 2. Content creation is king. Love writing blog posts that captivate readers? Can whip up videos that crack viewers up? Start a blog, YouTube channel, or even an Instagram account and share your passion with the world. Build an audience, monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even your own products. Cut to montage of bloggers, YouTubers, and Instagrammers creating content and interacting with their audience. 3. E-commerce empire awaits. Have a knack for finding awesome products? Dropshipping lets you sell online without holding any inventory. Partner with suppliers, build your online store, and watch the orders roll in and the profits too. Cut to animation explaining dropshipping process and showcasing successful dropshipping stores. 4. Online surveys and microtasks, short on time but want to earn some quick cash? Websites like Prolific and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer bite-sized tasks like taking surveys, testing websites, or transcribing audio. It might not make you rich overnight, but it's a fun way to earn some extra bucks. Cut to screen recording of online survey and microtask websites with examples of tasks. 5. Teaching the world your knowledge. Got a skill worth sharing? Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare let you create online courses and teach others what you know. From baking sourdough bread to mastering Excel, the possibilities are endless. Cut to footage of online courses being taught and students learning. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Earning online takes time, effort, and a bit of hustling. Don't get discouraged if your first blog post doesn't go viral or your dropshipping store takes a while to take off. Be patient, consistent, and learn from your mistakes. Bonus tip: networking is key. Connect with other online earners, learn from their experiences, and collaborate on projects. Call to action. I've shown you the avenues, now it's your turn to choose your path to online success. Leave a comment below telling me which method you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Let's get rich together. Additional elements to consider. Intersperse the video with personal anecdotes and humor to keep viewers engaged. Offer actionable advice and provide resources for viewers to learn more. Use high-quality visuals and audio to make your video professional and enjoyable. Promote your other social media channels and website in the outro. By following these tips and unleashing your creativity, you can create a YouTube video that not only informs but also inspires your viewers to embark on their own online money-making journey. Good luck!